Hello friends, I'm Parikshet from Kids Fun Learn Club, and so I'm going to share my own recipe of pasta salad. So I'm using penne pasta. You can use rotini or macaroni. So any pasta of your choice. So the pasta is boiled and let it cool for some time. So we need some veggies. I'm using grated carrots, onion, and lettuce and olives. You can use capsicum, broccoli, or cherry tomato. And for the dressing, we need tomato ketchup, mayo, and cheese, Jalapeno Dip, and Thousand Islands, an Italian mix. So let's start making. So I'm going to pour in the veggies now. Now let's mix it up. So I'm going to pour in the dressing now. So Jalapeno Dip. Now Thousand Islands. Now we are going to put some Italian sauce. So I mixed my salad. Now I'm going to pour in some cheese. Now we are going to put in some olive oil. Look, my salad is ready. No, it's really good. It is good. It tastes good. I hope you try this out, and you are going to love it. Bye, friends.